Are you looking to remove Google Tag Manager from your Shopify store? Whether it's for privacy reasons or to boost your site's performance, today I'm going to show you exactly how to do it quickly and safely. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand sidebar, click Online Store and then select Themes from the drop-down menu. Here, you'll see all the themes on your store. Find the theme you're currently using, click the three dots next to Customize, and select Edit Code. Now you're in the code editor where you can access all the files that make up your theme. Look for the file named theme.liquid. Open it and use the search function. Press Ctrl plus F on Windows or Command plus F on Mac and search for Google Tag Manager or GTM. This will take you directly to the script. Once you locate the GTM script, carefully remove it along with any related comments or settings that were added with it. After removing the code, don't forget to click Save at the top right corner of the editor. This ensures your changes are applied and Google Tag Manager is fully removed from your store. And that's it. Your Shopify store is now GTM free. Keep in mind, removing Google Tag Manager will affect your tracking and analytics, so make sure this step fits your current business goals. If you found this guide helpful, leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you.